Tell me what we're looking at here. This is
well,
right after.
I'll tell you what you're looking at. You're looking at third-degree burns.
On your forehead and your cheeks.
I look like a villain in a movie. So I'm coming for that movie star check.
How about your chest? So that's your chest?
Absolutely.
Mr. Smith, this is the result of the stunt being done. I mean, regardless of whose fault it is, it happened in your bar, right?
Yes, Your Honor.
But you believe he took it on himself, and this is the price of doing dangerous things.
Yes, Your Honor.
Can you see that, Mr. Reed?
No.
That this is the price of doing dangerous things? You don't see it that way?
When the other party in the stunt is negligent, absolutely.
Mr. Reed, tell me this.
Sir.
Is there anything you'd like to say to him?
Yeah.
And I want you to receive
Absolutely.
it, but
Absolutely.
respectfully.
Absolutely. Cut the check.
Thought you'd say more, but we'll deal with that. So, Mr. Smith, tell me this. With your prior employees who have done this stunt, did any of them refuse?
They always have the right to refuse. He could have refused, and I'm not going to punish them for it.
Now, on this night, though, you've got a full bar.
Yes.
It's my understanding that the crowd was getting hyped up, so everybody's looking forward to this. Kind of hard to say no, right?
Maybe, but he still has that right.
And you could have said no, right, Mr. Reed?
100%.
He does all of this for his social media
And you,
accounts.
you
for
think
those political accounts.
giving way to the
His
pressure.
girlfriend admitted-
Paul,
Gentlemen,
the adults are speaking.
Gentlemen, we need order in this court.
His girlfriend admitted to filming it. She was there filming the stunt the entire time for her social media page, which she said.
You
was
have a
filming
problem
it.
with her filming it?
When I was the first one to call 911, and she continued to film the stunt because this is what he does.
So, Ms. Guzman, you filmed this all the way with Mr. Reed going down to the sand after he had been engulfed in flames.
Yes.
Why did you do that?
Yes, Your Honor, but
For
it
their
was.
social media.
It wasn't until I heard him yell in pain from hitting his nose on the rock, I stopped filming as soon as that happened.
But when he burst into flames, you still thought it was part of the stunt.
I did. I actually had no idea that he was.
And Mr. Smith, you thought so too.
Yes, I did.
Well, at least we got one thing we agree on, right? That both of you didn't know that it had gone bad until he went down to the ground,
Yes, Your Honor.
right? So you go down into the sand, and that's when you slam your face onto a rock.
Face first.
And I've seen
Did it
him
knock
bleeding.
you out?
Knocked out cold? No, but was I stunned? Were two of my teeth gone? Was my nose broken? Did I have third-degree burns all over my body? Yes, absolutely.
Now, Mr. Smith, you seem like you were a little ticked about the whole social media flair that Ms. Guzman adds to this equation. Why?
Because that is proof that that is part of the lifestyle they both choose to live.
It's because he's not
a
popular on
social media lifestyle?
He's just
The
jealous.
social media of his dangerous stunts.
He doesn't have any friends.
That is what their social media pages are
Yeah.
dedicated to.
Well, you actually submitted some materials to the court that capture some of that stuff. These documents are from the plaintiff's social media, right?
No safety gear, he's free
Now,
climbing.
Mr. Reed, that's you on the side of that mountain, right?
Oh, yes, sir.
Ms. Guzman, do you accompany him on these thrill-seeking exercises?
Yes, Your Honor, I am his personal videographer.
So you're filming in full anticipation that you're going to put it online?
Yes, Your Honor. And as you can see, he isn't a pro, but no one
But the
is
thing was, it
pushing
hadn't been
him to do
5 years in
something that he can't
between
do.
since I last kayaked.
No one is pressuring him to do something he had never practiced.
And yet he
he's
chose to
never
do it
done.
himself.
But y'all agree that you are a bit of a thrill seeker, right?
I would say we live life.